Alrighty, here we are, another special day with another special winner. Mr. Lewis, you received a pretty awesome phone call just a couple of days ago to tell you that you've won one of the major prizes with Motorculture Australia. Can you tell us what it was?
Yeah, this thing. I was typical Monday, just sitting at home enjoying a beer after a day, and
As you do.
had a phone call, and I looked at the number. I'm like, I don't want to answer this, so I didn't. And I got thinking, like, oh, it might have been something important. So we played a bit of phone tag, and then probably should answer the first time around.
That's some pretty good news.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Maria did tell you that you won the Chopped 300 series, or it was a stack of cash. But before I do dive into it, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I live in Bundy. Have a business up there.
Yep.
Get out and about a fair bit. I don't know.
Forward driving and camping is up your alley?
Yeah, way riding dirt bikes and racing, so getting out and about, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So this car is going to fit right into your lifestyle, to say the least.
100%.
Awesome. Now let's flash it back to when you received the phone call once again. Can you walk me through what are the emotions that were flowing when Maria gave you the good news?
Well, for people that know me, I'm not normally a very emotional person, so I think Maria was trying to get something out of me, and I sort of wasn't playing the game. But then when I started thinking, after the phone call, and I started thinking about it, I'm like, oh yeah, it sort of set in, and got pretty excited. So yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And you told me before as well, you were talking to your partner about potentially going on a little road trip at the end of the year, and you did show her this.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, we've decided. Well, that's how I broke it to her, was that we're going to go on a road trip and we're going to do a tour around Tassie, I think, at the end of the year. So this will be the perfect vehicle for it.
So she had no idea at the time that you'd actually won this?
No, she still thought I was talking shit. So I told her to log on to Facebook and check it out, and then she worked out I wasn't talking shit.
Yeah. And what was her reaction when she actually knew it was real?
She's probably more excited than me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then, all my mates started finding out about it, and they're all, pretty excited. So
yeah.
It's been a good week.
Have you told much other family or friends around you?
Just close people. But everyone else is, Bundy's a small town, and I'm the sort of big circle of people, and people found out pretty quick. So, yeah.
Awesome. Well, look, you had a very tough decision at the time. I think it was $130,000, or it was this Chopped 300 series LandCruiser. Was it a pretty easy decision to make, or was it a bit difficult?
Nah, it was easy.
Yeah.
It was easy to
Fair
make,
enough.
yeah.
And that's why you're here today, right? I mean, this thing is pretty insane. A couple of my favourite things about it, you've got the off-road animal bull bar, the wheels I love as well, the Method race wheels with the muddies, and the PPF on it looks pretty sick.
It does.
Gives it a nice point of difference, but my favourite thing has to be the canopy on the back for sure.
Yep.
But I think now it's time to hand over probably one of the best 300 series we've ever had here through the Motorculture doors.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, mate. The Chopped 300 series is all yours, and I hope it brings many adventures to you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, guys. Much appreciated.
Too easy, mate. Hopefully we see you travelling around Australia very, very soon.
Will do.
Awesome.
All right, thank you.
No worries.